What's up, YouTube, man? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Status Steezo coming back with some more of this fire footage, man. And yes, your boy had the Rona, y'all. It was, well, actually, I still have the Rona. I'm just quarantining in his garage, man. I got like about probably two, 3 more days. But hey, for all the people that probably thought that stuff wasn't real, it is most definitely real. And got these two over here. But before we get to that, we need to get this bad boy back on there. So let me go ahead and set up shop. Get these wheels and everything moved out the way, and I'm gonna show y'all how I got those to fit inside of there. Yeah, so like I was saying, man, I had to go ahead and get that bar across the back, and shout out to everybody that was checking on your boy when I had that Rona, because hey, that Rona ain't no joke, y'all. But I had to get my sway bar back on there before I show y'all the full effect, so that y'all go check that out. That QP. This thing bolted on without an issue. Surprisingly, the drive shaft still bolted up. I'm very surprised at that. The top, the lower's bolted in. The QA1 coilovers. Man, y'all give this video a thumbs up, man. Check them out, check them out, check them out. Give us a thumbs up. Like I said, I did shorten up the rear end. As y'all can see, we still got a lot of room from here to here. I was worried about my caliper maybe possibly hitting here, so I did. We can adjust these from the caliper sitting back here, so I did it down there. But as y'all can see, we still got a lot of room once I mount my wheels on here. And I had to get these bushings right here machined down to fit inside of the Rucci wheel, which, man, y'all already know, like I said, I live in Oklahoma City. That was a hassle, just getting that, man. You be going down here to these machine shops and it be like old white people working in these shops, and you walk in there, they be looking at you crazy like what you doing up in here, boy? Hey, I'm building a car too, just like everybody else is. I need me some custom one-off stuff done. So get to it. So this will sit up against this, just like that, y'all. But I got another bushing and machine down because this lip right here hits that. But other than that, man, it's still smooth sailing. I'm still waiting on a drill bit so I can drill up these holes in here, so that the 1/2-inch stud, like I said, the threads fit through, but the actual shank itself is still off a little bit. But I'm gonna give y'all a little preview how the full thing will look. And that'll be off in there, shanked up. Y'all already know the whole. Y'all already know the vibes, man. Y'all see what I'm showing y'all, man. Go on, get this video a thumbs up. Stop playing, man. Y'all see what I got y'all over here. 5/8 studs on the box Chevy. 26-inch Ruchis. 5/8 studs. 26-inch Ruchis, box Chevy. 4 9-inch. And let me show y'all something else. So since these calipers are 1985, mid-80s Monte Carlo calipers, I won't be using that line to run my brakes. Y'all already know how I'm running my lines on here. We running braided, so I can't use this style fitting right here. Y'all already know, like the old style fitting that'll go in there with the banjo or whatever it is. So I'm going braided lines, so I had to go get a tap so I can, where all my fittings in here. Y'all know my look. I probably done lost all my little fittings that go in here. Hold on, let me see, can I find these? Alright, so I found my little piece right here. That will be replacing this right here. This will go in the place of that. So let me unscrew this, cause these is two different threads. So anyway, so I'm gonna be using this bad boy right here to rethread it. Bam. I ain't even too much worried about these calipers because I already told y'all I got some Willwoods on the way. So clean these up a little bit for the time being. I may not even have to clean these holes up, man. They kind of went in smooth. Yes, sir. There we go. Got them things threaded in there. In there like swimwear. But yeah, y'all, man, when I had that Rona, I had it for a little while before I even had any symptoms. So, you know, I was already kind of around my family. You know, so we all just kind of quarantining here at the house. You know, my son already, he can't stay away from your boy. But your boy surviving. She ain't about to get a check off me this go round. What size is that? Let's get that tightened down. To get this tightened down, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. So I got the brake lines ran to the top. I got that 90 off of here. they do not provide y'all with a brake kit when y'all doing these 9 inches. I had to just figure this out myself. I was gonna buy they little kit. They had probably like a $75, $80 kit they had, which it should have been free. But I don't know if I'm gonna leave this loose. I don't know, I may zip tie kind of tacky. I may zip this down, I may just leave it up for now. Ran that to the little T up there. Let me show y'all the brake kit on this side that they provide. The directions, by the way, for this quick performance, if y'all watching this video, was horrible. This is their little kit they provide for that. I'm about to go ahead and assemble the rotor and the brake caliper and put together the brake line. I'm gonna have to put a little fitting on this right here. They say fluid sometime come up out of there, so I don't know. I'm about to go clean that up real quick, but we getting close, y'all. We are getting close, but like I keep telling y'all, I live in Oklahoma City. It's just so hard to get custom stuff just made like this, just the snap of your fingers, man. Sometimes either you waiting or I'm getting overcharged. Like, man, I paid $100 to get this 10 of these machined down. Like, by trade, I'm a machinist, if y'all didn't know that. So I'm not running CNC, a lathe manual. I don't run all that, so I know what really goes into machining stuff down. And the show wasn't $100 worth, I'll tell you that, but sometimes you just gotta get stuff done. What else I'm gonna do? Just sit around and got the car sitting in the garage, but that's the Oklahoma City stuff, man. I'm pretty sure if I was in 3 hours down the road in Dallas, all this can be way easily done, but that's why y'all got me, man, so I can bring y'all this stuff. As y'all can see, we all done now. We got this side locked and loaded. Calipers in, big boy studs, bolts, whatever. Ooh, look at that thing, look from the back. Big boy fuel pump. Actually, I'm about to run out of fuel pump. I may be selling that. Yes, sir, man. And I'm thinking about at the end of this year, y'all, raffling off my my turbo kit, because I will be upgrading. Y'all get in the comments, let me know. Just the hot side. So pretty much it'll be the turbo, that manifold, and the crossover, but not the cold side. So y'all let me know, man. Should I, at sometime at the end of this year, raffle off this turbo kit? Y'all gotta remember, this is a direct bolt-on turbo kit. I done went through all the troubles for this thing to be fitted. So if you got 2-door, 4-door, box Chevy, Aero Coupe, Landau, LS, ball head, whatever, it'll fit on there. So that's it for this video, y'all, man. Y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up and share it, and we up out of here.